Welcome! Do you find yourself manually hiding and unhiding rows in Excel just to stop the endless scrolling between seeing details and totals? Using the group feature allows you to instantly toggle the view while reducing the risk of leaving data hidden by mistake. Let's look at this sales sheet. I have individual products listed under categories such as computers, mobile, displays, and if I scroll down, peripherals. The method I'm about to demonstrate works if you have subtotals, and later I'll show you a second example which does not. To create a collapsible group of rows, I highlight the rows to the line just above the subtotal. Then in the Data tab, I go across to Group, and if you can't see Group, it might be hidden under a button called Outline, and I click Group. I can do the same for my mobile section, so again highlight my rows and click Group. And I can do that for my other categories too. Now I have these toggle buttons on the left, and I can click the plus and minus symbols to hide or show the rows. And this is more convenient than using the hide row feature because it gives your users a clear visual cue that there is more data to see. Now, if you have a long list, clicking every single minus sign is tedious, and that's where the numbers at the top come in. Think of these as level views. Clicking the 1, this collapses everything to the top level summary. So in my case, it instantly hides all the products and shows only the category totals. And if I click the 2, this expands everything back to the second level, showing all the products. A point to note when using Group: the sheet requires a summary row to hold the toggle button. For example, if I group the computers category and then try to group the mobile category, the groups merge together as there is no header row between. To keep them separate, I'll add a header row first and then highlight the rows to group them. If at some point you would like to remove the grouping, it's easy to do. All you need to do is, if it's just one group, you highlight the rows, then go across to the Ungroup button and select Ungroup. And the plus and minus symbols disappear, indicating that that area can no longer collapse. If you prefer to remove all grouping from the page, then simply in the Ungroup button, select Clear Outline. As a tip, if your data has subtotals and a consistent outlay, you can go to Group, click on the drop down and select Auto Outline, and Excel will attempt to create these levels automatically for you. However, it doesn't always work perfectly. As we can see in this example, it's created a level 3, and I'm only looking for levels 1 and level 2. So in summary, using Group can make your spreadsheets easier to read and reduce the risk of unnoticed hidden rows. Using the 1 and 2 symbols in the top left-hand corner makes it quicker to collapse and hide a group of rows. If this helped you clean up your workflow, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Data for Knowledge for more data tips. Thanks for watching.